Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire in real life. First, let's set up the game. You will need one standard deck of 52 playing cards. The main objective is to move all cards to 4 foundation piles, building them up from ace to king by suit. Begin by dealing 28 cards into 7 tableau columns, with the first column having 1 card and the last having 7. Only the top card of each column is face up. The remaining 24 cards form your stock pile. Now let's talk about making moves. You can move cards within the tableau by placing a lower-ranked card onto a higher-ranked card of the opposite color. For example, a red 5 can go on a black 6. You can move single cards or entire sequences. If a tableau column becomes empty, you may place a king there. When you run out of moves, draw cards from your stockpile, usually 1 or 3 at a time, to reveal new options. Understanding a few key rules and strategies will greatly improve your game. Remember, tableau columns must always be built in descending order, alternating colors, like a red queen on a black king. A crucial strategy is to prioritize revealing those face-down cards in the tableau, as they often unlock new moves. Also, try to move aces and 2s to your foundation piles as soon as they are available, as this clears space and progresses your game. You win Solitaire when all 52 cards are successfully moved to their 4 foundation piles, each sorted by suit from ace to king. It's a satisfying moment. While we focused on the classic version, there are many other fun variations like Free Cell and Spider Solitaire, which use 1 or 2 decks respectively. Keep practicing. With each game, you'll develop better strategies and enjoy the challenge even more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.